Hello, I've shared some of my escape rooms recently and I've been asked how can you change the questions and answers to suit your grade or subject. So I thought I would show you. I've used this one because this has actually got a grey box over the slide. Usually mine have transparent, but this is just easier to show you. So if we move it over, and as you can see, this is actually linked to its own slide. That prevents your students clicking anywhere and they get the escape room advancing. They've got to click an answer. So if I just change this is as easy as it is. Once you've moved the box, you can adapt the question and then the answer. Click. This one is linked to slide 8. That's the correct one. So your correct answer needs to go in that box. These two are linked to the next slide, which is the wrong one. So this is the correct one. So change it to 54. Change this to 3. And change this to 52. The rectangular box back over and we'll just check it. My internet's quite slow in Orkney, so it does take a bit longer to come up. Here we are, answer these times table. 9 times 6, we know it's 54, but if we click on a wrong answer, and you'll see that it'll take you to the next slide or your student, and this will ask them to try again. So if we go back, and if we click on the correct answer, this will take you to slide 8, which is the one where your students can continue the journey by clicking on here. And if I show you another one, so you just move the box over. Once again, it's linked to itself. So if we have 4 times 4, check which link to the next slide is the wrong one. The wrong one. And that's slide 20, which is the correct one. So we know we need to put 16 into there. We can put 15 into there, and we could put 17 into there. Move the rectangular box back over, and then just double check that it is working. I actually say I did have a lot of fun making this one. 4 times 4 is 16. Let's try a wrong answer. Back. So 16 is the correct answer. And your students can click here to continue. I hope that was useful. Okay, thank you. Bye.